Welcome to Next in AI. This is your rapid-fire intelligence briefing on what's new and what's next.
So what's really next in AI? We're going to cut through the noise and find out. All right, here's your 4-minute briefing. Let's get right into the essential developments you need to know. First, the research frontier, then AI in the real world, the business side, and finally, what it all means.
Okay, first up, the research frontier. We're looking at the core innovations pushing the limits of what's possible.
Researchers just defined a new crypto standard called MSKIDF. It's built for modern decentralized systems.
Why does this matter? Well, it's post-quantum ready. This is about building future-proof identity systems. You know, getting LLMs to handle multi-turn conversations, like a sales call, has been a real headache. The solution? A technique called iterative PPO is making a huge difference in their performance.
Okay, moving on to AI in the real world. Let's see how this is all shaping society.
Check this out. TraffickCam is using computer vision to help fight human trafficking. A really powerful use case. So you have this duality, right? AI tools protecting people, while AI is also cited in corporate layoffs. This all points to a bigger trend, a real push for reliable, human-focused AI systems.
All right, let's talk business. How are these trends playing out in the market?
The big story? According to Bloomberg, Google, the sleeping giant in the AI race, is now fully awake.
And it's not just them. Fortune's calling Google the dark horse. A major shift is happening.
Meanwhile, there's just an explosion of new AI products hitting the market. The pace is incredible.
Just look at these, from YouTube insights to shopping assistants, even elder care. AI is everywhere.
But on the security side, a mixed panel incident just exposed some OpenAI data, a critical reminder of the risks.
So, let's pull this all together. What does it all mean?
3 big themes this week: a push for efficiency and security, a focus on human-centric design, and leadership.
The big takeaway comes from McKinsey. Leaders have to get tech-savvy to make informed decisions.
So AI is advancing on all fronts. The real question isn't if anymore, it's how we adapt.